Before the lockdown, I was like that, and after the lockdown, I'm like that.
I mean, I knew I'd enjoy spending time with my family, but the whole like me time thing, I didn't know.
You basically didn't realize you like your family.
No, I knew I liked my family. That's not what I'm saying.
Oh, mom, I actually love you.
Yeah, mom, I love you.
I just want to behave like Kaleen Bhaiya.
Do you want to be Munna Bhaiya by any
No,
chance?
I want her to be Munna Bhaiya. I want to say one dialogue. I'm not going.
Say it.
Educating people on the process of wisdom tooth extraction.
Well, here all the dentists say to you right now, but never mind. My rhyme was dear. Sarah, no fear. What happened?
Let's just be clear.
Oh, wow!
So with me today, I have Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan on E-Times Online. Welcome on E-Times Online.
Thank you.
First of all, how the lockdown has been for you guys. Before the lockdown, you guys were shooting in Goa, so I would like to know about that first.
So,
Because you're shooting for
right
just
before the
right
lockdown.
before the lockdown.
so before the lockdown, I was like that, and after the lockdown, I'm like that. That's my meme.
But tell me about.
a wisdom tooth extraction. I have to tell everybody just in case you guys think.
No, we saw his Instagram
strange.
post also.
Oh yes, we did. But yes, so he's in pain.
This happened for me during the lockdown though. Like even I extracted my.
Did you do it?
Yep.
How
And
did
it's
it-
pain
He's gonna have a bonding
For
session.
how long? I'm so sorry.
Leave myself for a bit.
1 minute. I'm very sorry about this.
Fourth person is doing
This is
with.
very important.
Please talk about it.
How long did it last for the pain?
2 weeks.
Everybody's told you 2 weeks. Aman lied to you. Varun, get over it.
2 weeks?
What did he say?
He
His
said
friend,
one day.
No, no one day. It
And
takes
then he's
2 weeks.
calling me like weak for.
You have to be very careful of what you eat
2
also.
weeks?
Yeah.
And did your jaw hurt?
Yeah, it does. A
Like when
bit. Yeah.
opening.
It feels over here. It does feel over here.
Pressure, hai, like muscular
Yeah.
pressure.
Yeah.
2 weeks. But now you're seeming like very happy.
It's good, no? Wisdom is gone.
Okay.
We all need that.
We all need that. But like, tell me about shooting in Goa, like, for Coolie #1. How was that, just before the lockdown? And like, shooting, songs and all. How was that experience?
I mean, Goa was amazing.
Yeah.
It was just like lovely. It was. We were shooting a song there mainly.
Yeah.
A couple of scenes, but I had a blast.
Yeah.
Throughout the shoot, I think that, I love my job, so that's not very surprising. But especially in this film, I think that every day on and off set was just a blast. So Goa was.
So how was the, one of the fun memory on the sets of, Coolie #1? Tell me about that. Both of you.
I think it's not a fun memory, but a
Yeah.
very memorable memory was, I think, the day Sarah cried a little bit. She cried for like a couple of seconds, I remember.
Because of my lenses.
Yeah.
That's a memorable.
No, but it's like a very vivid memory that day when you cried.
So the lens cracked in my eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I started to cry. I think, but
He just-
he felt really
he-
bad.
yeah,
he
You felt
concerned.
bad
No,
or
he was
like
very
you-
nice.
I didn't understand what happened.
Are you using
because-
sarcasm or
No,
not?
he's serious, huh?
Yeah.
He's not very nice to me usually.
Yeah.
And he's always like making fun and all. But he was very like concerned and compassionate.
Everyone, the full
Are you
set stopped
okay?
because she said, "Ki I can't see, I can't see."
My lens, it was pretty bad.
Yeah, and
But
then,
now it's fine. Like,
Yeah, it's fine, guys. I can see
You're
it.
fine, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, that was,
right now I'm in pain.
yeah. We swapped roles.
Yeah, but he has to like keep on
He has to
repeating.
keep telling you guys that he's
keep
in
on
pain.
repeating that he's
Just
in
so
pain.
it like no comments say like, oh, why was he not seeming too excited?
Educating people on the process of wisdom tooth extraction.
Well, here all the dentists say to you right now, but never mind.
But I think even I have done that, I think, putting a picture and all kind of thing.
It's a very big topic. I don't know why people don't talk about it
I'm telling you,
more.
people love raw and real, so yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
But yeah, so when her lens cracked in her eye and she started crying
Yeah.
and she said like my career's over, I can't see. Then like cut, Vashuji was like, kya ho
Look
gaya,
at the
kya
kind
ho
of
gaya?
stories he's making right now.
And Jackie literally was eating. He like dropped his plates.
Yeah,
he came
everybody was
running. He
very
said, "Sara, kaise ho tum?" and all. And yeah, it was a big thing. I think she
But
cried.
that way,
for, like,
everybody's always been like very loving to me on this set.
But like, did you enjoy shooting like a remake, like song also is there in the movie, so like recollecting all those memories of watching Govind and Karishma together. How was that for you?
How was it?
Please tell me.
You tell them first.
बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव था. बहुत ही अच्छा सफर रहा.
इतनी शुद्ध
बहुत
हिंदी.
प्रेरणा मिली हमें जिन कलाकारों का आप नाम ले चुके हैं वो
Yeah.
बहुत ही उम्दा हैं उनके जूतों में तो हम घुस सकते नहीं, उतनी औकात हमारी है नहीं, लेकिन हमने प्रेरणा ली और मज़े किए और उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को भी मज़े आएंगे, बस इतना ही है।
I just want to behave like Kaleen Bhaiya.
Just be quiet.
Just make
Yeah, Kaleen Bhaiya. Yeah, literally, like, you know, just do this. Do you want to be Munna Bhaiya by any
No,
chance?
I want her to be Munna Bhaiya. I want to say one dialogue to her. I'm not going.
Say it. No, I don't think you should.
Yeah.
Anything that Varun feels he shouldn't say, he shouldn't say. I feel.
Yeah,
Don't
I-
say it.
yeah.
Don't say it.
Yeah. When you both, like, you know, going through this lockdown phase, which was this one activity you both got involved in, indulged in? Like, you know, I was seeing, like, you know, you were posting a lot of yoga videos. Even you did that. So what was that one thing which you actually, like, you know, loved doing during this
You know,
lockdown?
I honestly went back to reading.
Yeah.
Cycling also, as Varun is showing you guys. But I hadn't actually had the chance to like read,
Huh.
like properly read for a long time.
Yeah.
So I think I enjoyed reading.
Yeah.
I read quite a lot, like different books and reading.
Also, like, one, you know, new thing you discovered about yourself.
That I have the ability to sit down relaxed. I never knew that about myself. I'm always like a high energy, high strung person, and like I don't like chill time and relaxed time, and I'm always about like running around. But I think that, you know, as appreciative as I've been about how busy life was before lockdown, I think little bit of time to like slow down and spend time with mom, spend time with my brother, spend time with myself.
Yeah.
You know, and just like take a deep breath and just like be. I didn't know I had the capability of doing that, and I didn't know that I would enjoy that. I mean, I knew I'd enjoy spending time with my family, but the whole like me time thing, I didn't know.
You basically didn't realize you like your family.
No, I knew I liked my family. That's not what I'm saying.
Oh, mom, I actually love you.
Yeah, mom, I love you. But luckily, my mom knows better. But no, I think like generally, like just being able to slow down and have time for yourself is important. I never knew that.
What about you, Varun?
I think similarly, just slowing down and you know, just understanding that what's happening, you got to adapt, and the care for you know, I just feel you take your family for granted, which we all do. We take our parents for granted, and during this period, I just realized that you cannot do that. You cannot do that. Don't take your parents for
Don't
granted.
take anything for granted. Don't take breathing without a mask for granted.
Yeah, don't take anything for granted. And you know, whatever we have, whatever.
Yeah, I might have my own disagreement on that.
I just feel that we should, the time that we have is the time we should make special right now. हम लोग हमेशा future की सोचते हैं या हम लोग past की सोचते हैं. Let's
But
stay
don't
in
you
the present.
somewhere like were you also indulged in like working from home in a way because like घर का भी काम करना? See, for us it was like that, so maybe
No, you're
like you
right.
know, घर का काम करना, like you know,
बहुत.
maybe झाड़ू पोछा kind of
So
thing.
I-
मुझे खाना is fine, but
Yeah.
हमारा काम तो नहीं कर पाते थे ना घर पे.
Yeah, but like of course like not shooting, but like
when you're so
at
I spend
home.
so much time at home and I live alone now. So literally because of this time you're sanitizing everything.
Yeah.
So the first 2 months तो I had become like ये sanitize करो, वो sanitize करो. ये I was just going on
Then you were
doing that.
making eggs.
Then I was like cooking breakfast for myself. I was making coffee for myself and cleaning, a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning. I didn't clean my clothes so much, but
yeah, but like you got into that cleaning habit.
cleaning habit was a major thing.
And for you, Sarah, did you get involved in like household, you know, chores and all?
I mean, like a little bit of like cleaning and organization and all. Organization, I think.
Yeah.
With, you know, like old moms, old saris.
Yeah.
Old family pictures. You know, so quite a lot of that kind of like basically useless stuff, but
Yeah.
like, you know, fun to do. You know.
But it was good, no?
Yeah,
Like
it
to
was
actually
nice.
like you know
Yeah,
just being with family, trying to recollect old
reorganize
memories
the stuff.
and all.
मतलब make labels for like jawri, bajra, urad dal, rajma. Right? Nobody needs to even know this stuff, but like.
But now you know.
Now I know.
Now you know. Now you're like
Now I
completely
know.
like now you can
I'm good in the kitchen.
Okay, also we saw that you have started this series with your friend on your Instagram. What is it about? Like, you know, that
No, it's
Poplu Toplu, whatever it is.
so basically Sahil Ved, who is a brilliant actor.
Yeah.
I've done Humpty Sharma ki Dulhaniya with him. I've done Badrinath ki Dulhaniya with him, and now we are doing Coolie #1 together.
Yeah.
So our third film, our trilogy of our friendship.
Yeah.
So today actually I met him after so long.
Yeah.
And because he just said that Humpty ka dialogue, so I said let's. So every time
I thought
we
like
meet-
you're starting like
Yeah,
some
so every
series
time
with
we
it.
start, every time we are going to meet, we're going to do like one dialogue from each movie.
So of course we are going to get entertained throughout.
100%.
Throughout, like you know,
With
once.
Varun around, that's
100%.
usually the case.
I just want to play a small, you know, quiz with you guys, and like easy one, which we are just going to like
Okay.
it, you know, be with Coolie #1. So which one
Basically
person?
saying it's
so
going to be
basically,
non-controversial.
yeah, non-controversial actually. So yeah, which person is from the industry is #1 in the following categories? Okay. So selfie, queen, king.
Selfie queen and
I think
selfie king.
selfie queen would be Kareena, I think.
Selfie queen, yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Selfie
Kareena
queen would be
Kapoor
Kareena.
Khan.
And King?
Selfie king. It used
Varun's
to be.
not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, selfie prince, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah, Kareena can be the queen, you can be the prince.
I was going to say that, yeah, I think Shah Rukh Khan is the king of selfies. He does a lot of selfies, doesn't he?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
does.
okay.
Like black and white
So
ones.
fine, but
and
we still
moody
made you the
ones.
prince, don't feel bad.
Okay, fine.
You're getting a compliment from her. Right?
Prince.
I'm
Though
trying
you
to
use
judge.
sarcasm on her, she is
Yeah,
like completely
see? I'm being so
confident.
nice.
Foodie number one.
Foodie, no. David Dhawan.
I think me and David sir.
Yeah.
He beats you every day
Yeah, okay.
where this is concerned.
Yeah, maybe.
Fashionista number one.
Fashionista number one. I think for me, fashionista number one would be. I'm just trying to think because nowadays most of the actresses are like they want their looks to be like shot
Yeah.
very nicely and they want to look nice. Sara also being one of them
We just-
majorly.
Oh, really?
But
We're going after this now for a matching denim picture. Varun, please. I wanted to tell you, I'm telling you on camera now. Please, one denim picture. Guys, if you don't see a denim picture on my Instagram with Varun, it's because he's been mean to me.
there's another Kalim Bhaiya dialogue I'm remembering. I won't use it.
Okay, don't use it.
But
All your Mirzapur references should just be left
Okay.
for
Mirzapur
not
memes also, I
a-
think.
interview time.
But it's funny, you know, it's actually to
I
see
think
the Mirzapur,
fashionista
yeah.
number one, I'll say Alia because she's very like prim and proper.
But
about
even
these things.
Sarah for that matter. she's
Sarah
very
is
prim and
like
but
reaching.
Varun
She'll
finds it
dethrone
a bit
over
loud.
there.
So,
No, I don't.
You don't?
She's
Then
not.
why you didn't say me?
I don't think.
She's
I
the
think
Gen
it's
Z
just
crowd, so
We've
of
been
course.
off Instagram for so long. No?
Oh. That's the only reason.
That's the
Otherwise, it could
reason.
be
You're
me.
not supremely active right now.
Yeah, but otherwise it could be me.
I think you by the time.
But
Foodie number
otherwise
one-
it could be me.
Yeah,
It could have been.
it could have been.
I could have. I just missed the bus.
But maybe by the time Coolie releases,
I'll be on the bus.
you'll be number one.
I like that.
So basically,
I like
he
that.
wants to up your game.
Yeah, I
No,
love
no,
my
no. I
game.
don't want to know again.
You're actually putting that thing on her, like, you know, actually, you can do it. Tourist number one.
Tourist number one.
Yeah, basically, who someone likes to, like, you know, globetrotter maybe, or someone who loves to, like, you know, travel.
I think Tapsi Pannu. She really travels, no?
Yeah, Maldives.
Besides that, also she keeps going abroad with her sister. She loves holidays.
She loves holidays.
Tapsi loves
Most of us
holidays.
like to travel.
Tapsi loves holidays.
I think during lockdown, I think people are having more of urge, like, to go.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Dancer number one.
Dancer number one, I'd say Tiger.
Yeah, Tiger.
Loves dancing.
Fitness freak number one.
Again, I think we should say. Actually, we should say Anil
Jacqueline
Kapoor.
is also. Oh yes,
Anil
Anil sir. He's like on the beach and in the park and like
In the water, in the matlab,
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
just.
Anil sir.
But even Milind Soman, for that matter, whatever
that
that
Gandhi
picture which
yeah,
came,
yeah.
it was really very good. It was very hot.
She liked
Singer
it.
number one.
She liked it.
Me.
You.
Yeah, I'm a bomb singer.
Comedian number one.
Comedian number one, let's say Johnny Lever.
Yeah, Johnny sir.
Okay. Hero and heroine number one.
Oh wow, that's a good one. Hero and hero number one, I would say for me, hero number one is. Sorry, I don't know his full name. I don't want to get it wrong. In Scam 1992.
This scam, the Harshad Mehta scam,
Yeah,
that guy, Pratik. Pratik.
What's his surname? Pratik, to even I know.
Surname, I don't know. But he's, yeah.
Huh? Pratik Gandhi is hero number one, hands down.
Yeah,
Pratik
yeah,
Gandhi
he
is hero
was.
number
Yeah.
one, right?
Yeah, he was very good. Yeah.
was-
What about you?
Just finished Mirzapur, so I think any of them
Munna.
would be. Yeah,
Which
yeah.
one has been your favorite character though?
I think Ali was superb. I messaged him.
So, so hero
Even
number
I
one like
think
that.
that
So
you
even
were
I
amazing.
messaged him. I have
Yeah.
many. So I would
Yeah.
say Devendu, Ali,
Yeah.
Pankaj ji,
Pankaj
then
sir, for sure.
Harshvardhan Rane
Yeah.
from Tesh.
Yeah.
But that
and
Guddu Bhai was
Pratik.
something
Good
else.
Dubai was, yeah.
Saying amazing.
The dialogues also.
I know, amazing.
Heroine, I'll say I loved. I think Rasika Dugal.
Dugar is very, very good.
Yeah.
मतलब उसने तो
Even Neena ji, like I've been watching
Oh,
a lot
yeah.
of her work like recently. I mean, I've seen it before.
Masaba,
also.
Masaba and all.
oh yeah,
Like,
she's
she's
damn
super,
good,
very
dude.
good,
She's
yeah.
damn good.
Dost number one.
Dost number one. Dost number one is for me. No, it's from the industry.
Yeah. No, from the industry for your personal.
From his personal life, it's definitely not his friend
No, it's
Aman,
Aman, it's Aman.
who has told him to that tooth extractions don't
No,
work.
it's Aman, Aman.
It's definitely not you, Aman.
It is
Aman,
Aman,
he
it
has
is Aman.
abused you to me for the past 3 days, so it's not you, Aman.
It's Aman.
From the industry.
No, it's not Aman.
From the industry.
Aman is also.
Aman,
like,
naam to suna hoga. You want to do that?
So Aman worked on this film called Serious Man of Nawaz sir. He was a EP
He's
on
worked
it.
with you also, yeah. Acha.
No, he's never worked with me. I've done like one ad with
Yeah,
him, Max.
Humpty. I mean, like.
No. He's very off the industry.
Acha,
like
okay.
films like that.
Okay, so
His-
that Aman guy is someone
he
else.
likes
Acha, the
films.
chat which he shared was of someone else. I
Yeah,
think it's
no.
a Potlu guy.
No. That Potlo, no, yaar, Poplo. Potlo, she's called it.
I didn't get it. So yeah, for you,
I think my closest friend would be Ori. Ori.
Ori.
He's pretty much from the industry only.
He's an
like
alien.
all over Instagram.
okay. And Gossip Monger number 1.
Gossip Monger number 1.
I don't want to say this. If
Ori.
you said it, I'll agree.
got
Again,
you.
Ori?
As long
You're
as-
not really a gossiper.
I was talking about myself.
Oh, okay.
I'm not talking about anybody.
Let's
Oh,
not
I
talk
know.
about it. Let's avoid the
I
question.
think she knows who you're talking about and
Yeah.
you know who you're talking about.
I think you also know.
You also know, but you're playing diplomatic right
I
now.
don't know
You
yet,
always
yeah.
know, but you don't say anything.
You want to play diplomatic right now? It's
I mean,
okay.
Of course we should, right?
Yeah, right now, yeah.
After positivity and coolie number 1, it's the second need
Hashtag
of the hour.
positivity. Social butterfly, like someone who's active.
Who's always 24/7
It's
active.
okay.
I
Yeah.
just want to leave.
Who's 24/7 like active on the internet? Who say Dimple? Who's coming to your mind?
Let me stick to social butterfly.
Who do you feel? Who do you feel?
I have a lot of names for that matter.
Who? Jacqueline, yeah. Jacqueline is a
Jacqueline,
social
yeah,
butterfly. That's true. That's true. She's really like out there
Yeah.
doing stuff.
You can give a name.
She said it already.
Jacqueline. I think Jacqueline is out there all the time and she's a pretty butterfly. So, yeah, butterfly is
Jacqueline.
pretty. So,
Yeah,
Jacqueline.
fine.
My choice is Jacqueline. Her choice, she said.
The last thing.
My choice is also Jacqueline.
Twinning.
Winning.
You all both know something which I'm not part of this joke.
No, I love it.
I'm just letting guys,
safe.
bro.
This is what you told me to behave like.
Hashtag
I
stay
didn't say-
safe, stay home.
Yeah, except the safe and home part right now.
I'm not in on this inside joke of theirs. I'm just telling everyone.
We can see from your smile.
My joke.
Then you shouldn't be smiling. You can't help it. Yeah, hide yourself in shame.
The last thing for both of you, one message for all the audience out there, and like what you want people to see in Coolie number 1. That's it.
I think this year has been life-changing for everyone, and it's been a lot of hardships, no one has won during this year. And I think this is a film that is coming, which is there to entertain you all. It's going to come out on 25th December during Christmas time. And just 2 hours you can spend with your family, your friends, your loved ones. Aaram se dekho. Hopefully you'll forget all your problems for those 2 hours. And laugh on us, laugh with us. Coolie number 1.
Yeah, I think it's the season to cheer, and we are here. So,
What a rhyme.
yeah. Great.
Awesome.
My rhyme was dear. Sarah, no fear. What happened?
Let's just be clear
Oh, wow.
that
That?
to watch the film.
We are
say-
here.
We are here. We are here.
25th
She had to like
December.
come
Yeah.
And
back.
every day post that. So come and spread cheer with us, as I said.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your
Thank
lovely
you.
time and all the best for your movie.
Thank you.
Thank you.